For number 8, we see that we have the FOIL method again because we don't see an addition or subtraction sign in between our parentheses. And FOIL just means that we're going to multiply 4 numbers. We also call numbers terms. That's it. FOIL 4, FF. So I wrote it on my paper. And in order to do FOIL, we're just going to take the 3d squared and write it twice. We're going to take the negative 5. That's a negative 5 and that's a negative 6. Take the negative 5 and write it twice here. Negative 5, negative 5. We're going to take this d and we're going to alternate d, negative 6, d, negative 6. So I'm going to put a d here, negative 6 here, a d here, and a negative 6 here. And that's it. And then we're going to multiply. Remember, multiply, you can have a little x, which I don't recommend because you don't want to confuse yourself with the letters and the variables. But x does mean multiply. Dot means multiply. Star means multiply. Parentheses means multiply. So we have a 3, and there's an imaginary 1 in front of the d. So 3 times 1 is 3. Here we have 2 d's, and here we have another d. So 2 d's here plus 1 d here means that we have how many d's altogether that we're multiplying, which is 3. So remember when we multiply, we're telling how many variables we're multiplying together, which is 2 plus 1 and 3. Here we have a 3 times negative 6. If you forgot, it's okay. Just draw your peace sign. This works when we're multiplying or dividing. I see a positive 3, let me scratch that out. I see a negative 6, I'll scratch that out. So my answer is going to be negative 18. And then don't forget your variable, which is d squared. Here we have a negative 5 times d, which gives us a negative 5 with a d. Here we have a negative times a negative, which gives us a positive because we have our plus, minus, minus. When we scratch out the 2 minuses, we see we have a positive answer, which is a positive 30. Normally, we're able to put a box around the 2 middle terms because they're alike. In this case, these are not alike. So this is a trick. This is a d squared and that's a d. We cannot add those together. So this is actually our answer. 3d cubed minus 18d squared minus 5d plus 30. So let's look for that answer for number 8 for our answer choices. All right, so for number 8, we're looking for 3d cubed. Okay, here I see 3d cubed for C and D. Then we're looking for a negative 18d squared. I see a negative 18d squared here. So it looks like D is going to be our answer choice, but we're going to make sure. Looking for a negative 5d. I see a negative 5d and a positive 30, positive 30. So that means that D is indeed our answer choice. And if you see here, of course, they tried to trick you. They changed the sign here to a positive, change that to a positive, change that to a negative. So that's a trick. So the answer for number 8 is D as in David.